All right, so it looks like some of my pending channels are open and online, so I can now send some Lightning payments. So I'm going to head over to Starbucks, the infamous Lightning coffee shop. I will opt for a Scala chip Frappuccino. Checkout. It'll generate me a Lightning invoice. I'll open with my wallet. Chrome's asking me if I want to open it with Zap Desktop. Yes, I do. Zap loads the payment, queries the local graph, sees the fee may be between 1 and 4 satoshis. That looks good to me for my Scala chip frap. I click send. Zap is processing the payment right here. Can take up to 1 minute before a timeout. And boom, my payment was successful. If I head back over to Starbucks, looks like they got my payment. And I'm off to enjoy my Scala chip frap. So yeah, it's really as simple as that. Get Zap started, have autopilot or yourself open some channels. Once they're open and online, you're transacting on Lightning. So yeah, hope that was really helpful.